What's up guys, it's Shavers again, and today I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this pearl white behind me. And what I didn't know was that this is a 3-stage paint color. I did not know that. First it's your base, and then you spray on your pearls, and then your clear coat. I did not know that until I was looking for the color at Walmart at AutoZone, and they said there's no such thing, you can't achieve that through aerosol cans. So I was like, okay, so I asked, okay, well, so how do I achieve it? And nobody knew, or they didn't want to tell me. I asked auto body shops and they did not want to tell me. They just told me it was a flake coat. I was like, well, how do I achieve this pearl flake coat? And they did not want to tell me. Why? I do not know. I went to Mica. They told me they would charge me $500 to paint this fender and to paint this bumper. I was like, $500? I was like, you crazy, yo. So then I went to these other body shops like Caliber Collision and this other weird auto body shop that's here in town. One of them told me $400, one of them told me $300, and I was like, I don't want to spend that much. So what I did was did research, and thanks to Gabriel from Motivated Painters, huge shout out to him, and a huge shout out to Jimmo and Refinish Network. I'm gonna link their YouTube channel so you guys go check them out. They're professionals in the industry, which I looked up to, and I reached out to and asked them for their opinion what I should do next and how I should achieve this color. So what I found out was that after you paint it white, you need a transparent base, and this is Auto Air Colors right here. I got this on eBay. I'm gonna put the link so you guys can see. I think it was $35 or $45. It's a 32 ounce, and this is a clear, but if you see, it's like a little milky color, but it dries on clear. So what I did was I mixed 1.5 grams of this stuff, and this is a secret that nobody wanted to tell me, and now I'm sharing it with you guys. So whenever you guys get a project car and it's pearl white, this is how you achieve that pearl white color that nobody wants to tell you about. And the secret is, you can't see it in the camera, but it's a pearl flakes. Let me open it up so you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but all it is a pearl color flaky metallic stuff. I'm pointing my finger so you guys can see it. Look at that. I hope this camera gets it. But it's powder. So what it is, it's a pearl color. It's a pearl color powder. So you mix 1.5 grams per 8 ounces. From my experience, I did 2 coats on both, and it was a lighter pearl than what my car was. So what I did was add 2 more coats, and it made it a tad more yellow. But I reached out to Gabriel from Motivated Painters, and he told me it all depends on the pearl white. Some they add like a yellow or like a orange paint to the clear when they mix it, so it could get a little bit tad darker pearl. I was like, oh, I didn't know that. So I thankfully did not have to add orange or yellow paint. So what I did was just add some more coats. Gabriel told me, and Jimmo told me that if I add more coats, it'll make the pearl a little bit darker. I'll show you guys the finished product right there. And then after that, after the 3rd coat, I did the white coat, and then I did the pearl flake coat, and then I did the clear coat. And I'll show you guys right now. I still need to wet sand it and buff it out because you can see the orange peel. But so far, I'm happy with the progress, and let's go check it out. I don't know if you guys could see the shine. It's a pearl. You can see the orange peel. Look at that. But other than that, I think it came out pretty clean. That pearl. You can see the orange peel. Look at that. I wasn't able to find the 3000 or 5000 grit paper, so I had to order it online so I could be able to wet sand this and then compound it and then polish it.